Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, has assured Niger Deltans that the newly constituted board of the NDDC will operate in line with President Bola Tinubu's renewed hope agenda to bring succor to largely underdeveloped communities in the Niger Delta. Dr. Ogbuku gave the assurance during a recent reception held in his honor at Oruma community in Ogbuku local government area of Bayelsa State.
Saturday, the 4th of November, was a day set aside by the people of Oruma community in Ogbuku local government area of Bayelsa State to honor their son, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC. Indigenes of Oruma came from far and near to be part of the august occasion. They said they are delighted by the efforts of Dr. Ogbuku to lift their community from its backward stage through several intervention programs. In his welcome address, Chief Ishmael Jacob, Secretary of the Reception Planning Committee, expressed gratitude to Dr. Ogbuku for bringing succor to them in less than 1 year of his appointment.
His efforts in transforming the Niger Delta region is glaring like the morning sun just after his appointment as the Managing Director of NDC. Solar light is now shining almost in every community.
Dr. Ogbuku was honored with the chieftaincy title, the Amatondi I of Tugbeni Oruma land, which translates in English as the bringer of light to the community. Traditional rulers from across the Niger Delta who attended the reception also commended Dr. Ogbuku on his sterling performance so far.
Samuel Ogbuku has been a very brilliant, intelligent, he's a pride for this nation. I want you all to support him. I want you all to stand by him.
Chairman of the newly constituted board of the NDDC, Dr. Chiedu Ebie, who was represented by the Executive Director Projects, Honorable Victor Antai, commended Dr. Ogbuku for his transformational leadership in the NDDC and assured Niger Deltans that collaboratively the entire board will work tirelessly to ensure a positive transformation of Nigeria's oil-rich region.
I assure you that as a united team within NDDC, Mr. Ogbuku will work tirelessly to bring about meaningful development and progress, not just to the Niger Delta, but especially to Tugbeni Kingdom.
In his response, Dr. Ogbuku thanked Oruma community for the honor done on him and pledged to continue working in response to the yearnings and aspirations of the Niger Delta people. He described the newly constituted board of the NDDC as a formidable team that will drive the renewed hope agenda of President Bola Tinubu in the Niger Delta.
This is the best team NDDC have ever produced. We have all collectively agreed that we are going to transform the Niger Delta. I believe the honor that the community has given me today, the honor in expectation of more development for the community and also Ogbuku local government and Niger Delta at large.
Prior to the reception, Dr. Ogbuku and other dignitaries had inspected the recently installed solar energy-powered street lights and the newly constructed 1 kilometer Ologi rigid pavement internal road with drains which links Oruma community to the east-west road.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,